Hi guys, welcome to my Pingaksh YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the multiplications, how we can teach the multiplication to the small kids. So let's start for that. Suppose if I write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it comes to how much? Lastly, we learned how to do the addition. So you start doing this is 2. Again, if I'm taking the 2 lines here, 2 lines here, 1, 2, 2 lines here. Then after 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think you can do the additions on your fingers also now. You need not to do draw these lines like this. But still I am just showing you. It comes to 8. If I write like 3 plus 3 plus 3, it comes to, see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It comes to 9. So what we can do, I just can write ki this is 2 and I have to add the 2 repeatedly. Then I'm getting 8. So there are only 4 2's. So it's easy for me to count them on fingers. But there are so many 2's. If they are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, there are so many 2's, then it's not possible for me to count on fingers. So what do? We just multiply in that case. So the repeated additions are only called the multiplications. So how do we do the multiplication? See, I'll just write here 2 because the digit is 2. So I write here 2. And how many 2's are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write 4 below this. And I put a cross sign like this. This is only called multiplication sign. And now we just multiply it. 4 2's, it comes to 8. This is the ones place. So I write here ones. This is the unit ones. So 4 2's are 8. The answer will be 8. This is 3 plus 3 plus 3. So what do? I will write 3 here. So this is the ones place. I write here 3. How many times 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So again I write 3 below this. Put a multiply sign. Then you again start multiplying. 3 3's are 9. So the answer is, always write the answer in full. Then you will create the habit that it will be 9. Answer is 9. So this way we need not to count the 3 3 3 or 2 2 2 again and again. Just whenever we want to add a digit repeatedly, what do? We are doing the multiply. So the repeated additions are called multiply. If I take suppose 5, if I am taking 5 plus 5 plus 5, how much it comes? 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I write here 15. This time I am not writing 1, 1, 1 because just to show I wrote here. But because now you are going to do the multiplication, so definitely you have learned the additions properly. So now you can do directly the additions like this. So 3, 5 together makes 15. So what I do, I will write here ones, or I write here. This I am writing O means the ones place, that is the unit. This is 5. So I write here 5. Now how many times 5? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So I write here 3. I put a multiply sign. And what it comes? 5 3's are 15. So the answer is 1 5 15. This way we are doing the multiplications. Seem like that we can do the double digit multiplications. Like see, if I take tens once I write, and I write 4, 3, and I multiply it by 2. It means 4, 3 2 times. 4, 3 plus 4, 3. So I'm not writing 4, 3 plus 4, 3. It means 43 2 times. So I write like this. Now start multiplying. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. It comes to 86. So I write the answer. ANSWER. Answer is 86. Okay. Now again I write, suppose I am writing the units, always you write. I write 5 2, or I write 5 1, suppose I write, and here also I take 1. So 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. Answer is 51. So ANSWER. Answer is 51. Okay. So if I write, take one more example. I write suppose 2 4 into 2. So multiply. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. The answer is 48. So this way we can do the multiplications of the this type, double digit also, single digit also. Now if the answer comes in 3 digit, see, I can do the example like I am multiplying 4 3. This is TO, tens and ones, multiplied by 3. Okay. Now what's coming? 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are is 12. So 1 2. The answer came in 3 digits. Because the 3 4s are there is 12. So what I will do, I will write under one space, I'll write 9. Tens column, I'll write 2. And this column means this is the 100 column. Here I am writing 1. So my answer will be 129. Right? Take one more example. I write here HTO, and I am taking the digit 52 multiplied by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are, I am getting 15, 1 5 15. So I'll write 5 here and I write 1 here. So it will be 156. The answer will be 156. Next, suppose I take the example, one more example I am showing. I take 6 4 multiplied by 2. So 2 4s are 8, and 2 6s are, it comes to 12. So I write here 2, I write here 1. It will be 128. The answer will be 128. Okay. So this way we can do the multiplications, and this multiplication is without carryover. Next we will understand how to do the multiplication with the carryovers. So this way we can do the basic multiplications. I think you have understood the topic, and thank you for watching my video. Wait for my next video.